Hello everyone, so this is Risha again. I'm back with my second video. Here I'll be showing my data visualization in Tableau. So I have already connected my data with the with Tableau, and as you can see I have already created all my visualization. In this video I'll be showing how I did it. So for my clinic part, I will just hide the data I don't need. I am not going to delete any data. So for example, I don't need the war zip code. I can just easily hide it here so that it won't bother me. So yeah, I can just hide the data I'm not using right now. But mostly I'll be keeping most of the data so that I can see if I can use it later. So let's go with my first visualization. I have created a loan approved amount by business type. So here I have taken the business type in my column section and summation of course approval in the row section, and we can see that it has given us a bar chart. So the corporation business type has the highest amount of loan approvals. And also I have color coded the business type here, and I have added the summation of gross approval in the label so that we can see and it's easily detectable. For my second visualization, I have created top 5 states by business type. So here we can see that we have 3 business types like corporation, individual, and partnership, and top 5 states are California, Florida, Illinois, New York, and Texas. And here are the gross approvals. So for making this visualization, I have taken business type and gross approval summation in the column section, and I have taken the borrower state in the row section. Also, I have filtered the borrower state so that I can take only the top 5 by editing it. And also I have color coded the business type and label the amount here, like the gross approval amount. Also, if I press any place, you can see that the borrower state comes here. So I have just tooltip the borrower state here. For my third visualization, I have created distribution of loan approvals by business type. So here is all the distributions I have. So for this visualization, I have put the summation of gross approval in the 3 parts, like the size, color, and the label. And I also labeled the business type and borrower state because you can see that which state has like how much approval amount and what business type it is. So for my third visualization, I have created loan approval over time. So it's more like a time series visualization. So for this visualization, I have taken the approval fiscal year in the column and gross approval sum in the row. Also, I have taken the gross approval in the label so it's easier to understand. And also I have filtered the borrower state, and so I have filtered the approval fiscal year. So if I want to change like anything, I can, like for one state I can see it. For Arkansas you can see, oh, it's all 0. So it's not 0, so there are some data here, but I have edited it to the billion, so it's like 0 billion, maybe it's some million here. So let's go to California. I think I can get more. Yeah, In California, it's showing 1 billion, but I think it's less than that. But for all the states, it's easier for me to do it with billion. That's why I did it. For my next visualization, I have created loan approval over time in different business type. So it's an area chart. So you can see that the business type, like the corporation one, is like more here. So for this visualization, I have taken the approval fiscal year to the column and the summation of cross approval in the rows, and I have color coded the business type and filtered the state. So yeah, it's showing that the corporation has a significant amount of more approvals than other like individual and partnerships, right? So for my not second, next, I have created a line chart. So it's a loan approval over time. So for this visualization, I have taken the approval fiscal year to the column and summation of course approval to the row, and I have taken the summation of course approval to the label. So it created a beautiful line chart with showing the trend of loan approvals over the years. So yeah, I'm not going to make the video longer. So see you in my next video with my rest of the visualization. Thank you for staying with me.